agency owner and you're tired of taking one-on-one sales calls, then a one-to-many sales approach using webinars might just be the solution for you. Using our easy webinar templates, you can get your webinar set up in record time with easy customization and reduced manual work. Let me show you how to get started. So you're going to want to be on the subaccount level on the left-hand side. We're just going to go ahead and click on Sites. Once you click on Sites, just head on over to the top and you'll see Webinars. Let's go ahead and select Webinar, and we're going to set our webinar up. Here, we're going to go ahead and click the blue plus button that says New Webinar Funnel, and you'll have a couple of options, on-demand or live webinar. Let's go ahead and select the on-demand webinar. We'll then hit Continue. Now you just want to name your webinar. We'll go ahead and select Next. Now, it's important to note that you already want to have a form created for this so that we can capture their information. We're going to go ahead and select the form. I've already created my form. We'll hit Next. Now you're going to upload the video that you want people to see for your webinar. We'll just go ahead and select that file, and you can upload your video. Now that you've uploaded your video, we're going to go ahead and hit Next. Here you'll have a series of templates to choose from. You'll just want to go ahead and select the template that you like best for your event. I'll go ahead and select this financial planning on demand template. You can actually use the eye icon to preview what that webinar funnel will look like. I really like this layout, so I'll hit Continue. Now it's going to add that template to my webinar. Now you'll have a webinar funnel pre-built, making it so easy and convenient for you to go ahead and make those edits. So notice that it's already put in the form that I've previously created. I can go ahead and change any of the text that I want to change on here. I can change the colors and so forth. This is such a quick and simple process for me to go ahead and set up my on-demand webinar. Once you're done making those changes, you'll just want to go ahead and save and then publish. As an agency owner, you're in full control of webinar templates. You're going to want to be on the agency level, and on the left-hand side, we're just going to go ahead and click on Template Library. You'll see at the very top, you have an option here where it says Funnels, Website Stores, and we actually want to go ahead and scroll down to Webinars. Once you're on Webinars, you're going to see the templates for webinars, and you are in control of what templates you want to show to your users. So for example, you can just go ahead and click the visibility toggle to turn off or on those templates. Now, you can also create your own template for your users. So if you serve a specific demographic, maybe you work with salon owners, maybe you work with home services, and you want to have a variety of templates that are specifically catered to them, then you can actually create your own templates, and then you'll have those templates shown to your sub-account users under templates. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead to the top right and click on that blue plus create template button. Once you go ahead and create that, then you can select the sub-account that you've used to create that actual webinar template. Then you're going to select the product type. In this case, it's going to be webinars because we are actually creating a webinar funnel for them. And then you're just going to go ahead and select that template and then hit Continue. This is going to create the template so that it'll be live in your library for your sub-account users to choose from. We'll go ahead and create it. Now that this is created, you can actually make any additional changes that you want to make. You can actually select a category that you'd like to list it in. If you want to upload a cover image, you can. Add tags, add a short description, and an about information, you can do so. Please note that you can also add prerequisites for this template as well. And if you want to show it as featured, you can. And what I love about this is that you can actually assign a color to it for color coding purposes. Once you've done that, you can actually save it as a draft, or you can publish this template in live time. Please note 3 dots at the top. You can actually clone this template if you want to clone it, or you can delete it. In our case, we're going to go ahead and publish this template. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to publish this template? This will make this available to all sub-accounts. You'll go ahead and hit confirm. If you're an agency owner, start creating templates for your sub-account users so that they can have a customized experience with easy templates that are ready to roll out. I'm so excited to see you start using your webinar templates.